In a media statement on Friday, NPP State President Prestone Tynsong revealed that Cabinet Minister Ampareen Lyngdoh and current Tura MP Agatha Sangma are slated to be the party's contenders for the Shillong and Tura Parliamentary constituencies respectively. Additionally, the Deputy Chief Minister also addressed various other NPP-related matters during the announcement.
Te akan janmit ngasung bahalan pentip syafi hadin bagi layok ia ka approval na ka party high command na honorable president Jong ka National People's Party ngakwa ban pentip api ba ngakwa ban penmenah kan rapor ya ki candidate MP jungi na kabentakan ka election MP kaban Shillong haw arajar aku sao kaban nengkong na ka Shillong Parliamentary constituency ka parti kalarai ban penyeng ya i Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh i balong i MLA badru i minister nangta nampo Tura Parliamentary constituency ngilarai ban penyeng biang ya i Mrs. Agatha Sangma i badai i sitting MP Jong ka parti ke jami. Na kata daw nga sumababan petip syapi kanang ba kin pait ba jong kini atli ko siru kin dip ya kini ki official candidate ke jami. Mangin don kam manifesto la jong. Kabangin sa penmi pait ba ka ai ki jik temu jong ka NPP na kemenangan election arajar pusau bat ngin sabaktai in detail ye kita ki isu poro bat ia minta aku mau hingan nampak ongai namar bangi dak penkret ia kini ki mat manifesto jong kapati ki